Today, we're making savory braised bison short ribs. Slow simmered to perfection, this dish might just become your new go-to dinner this spring. Start by searing the short ribs in vegetable oil to lock in the flavor. Bison is naturally a little sweet and very lean, which makes it ideal for braising. Sear the ribs just long enough to develop a rich crust and render the exterior fat. Then leave those juices in the pot. Add some butter and let it melt until lightly browned. Then stir in the onions, rainbow carrots, garlic, and a pinch of ginger. Once the onions have softened, add dill, Dijon mustard, and soy sauce to build the base of the braising liquid. Pour in just enough broth to fully submerge the meat. Then add a touch of maple syrup to complement the natural sweetness of the bison, then a dash of hot sauce to balance everything out. Return the short ribs to the pot and let them simmer over medium-low heat for 3 to 4 hours, or until the meat is fall off the bone tender. Remove the ribs from the pot and let them rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, bring the braising liquid back to a simmer and reduce it until it reaches your preferred consistency. I served my braised bison short ribs over a bed of tender asparagus and spooned the reduced sauce over the top. It's the easiest spring meal you'll have this season. What bison recipe should we try next? Let us know in the comments, and check out Great Range Bison for even more recipes.